Ever had your tile feel really warm in your bathroom during the winter months? This client did. She called her insurance company. They sent some people out to check it out, and she ended up having a slab leak. So she gave us a call and said, "Can you help me with this? I need a contractor to do this." Sure, we can help you with that. So this was what her final bathroom looked like when we had completed the repair. However, let's take a look at it. Here it is before we began working. Um, she knew when she walked on that floor and it was warm that there was a problem. It was right in this area in front of this sink, just a straight line here, and it was just really odd, and she was hearing strange sounds when she would use the water in there. So the first thing we did was to remove the mirrors from the walls. She had the report from the insurance company and the company they sent out to actually find where the leak was. So our master licensed plumber came out and got to work. He had to cut open the wall where the plumbing was. And luckily, we did not have to tear up the floor. He was able to cap off the existing line down underneath behind in the cabinet. And then he had to reroute the lines up into the attic to restore water to the sink that was there. New countertops, sink, faucets, shut-off valves, and the connections had to be installed. While he was doing this, our plumber noticed that her water heater was older. There were some issues with it, and that she did not have a water heater pan or flood stop on it. Now, this is located in a hallway right by the bedrooms and close to the living room in a closet. And wow, what a concern that would be if it exploded or leaked and she wasn't there. She could come home to her home being flooded. 50 gallons of water is a lot on your floor. So she decided to go ahead and replace it since there were some issues with it anyway, and have the water heater pan and flood stop installed so that she could have peace of mind when she was away from her home, visiting friends or relatives. So we did that for her. Now, she decided that when we were selecting the granite to replace the marble that she had in there, she chose a granite called Colonial Gold. It's really pretty. We actually went to our granite supplier so she could see a large piece of it and see exactly what it would look like. Here the sheetrock has been repaired from the plumbing opening. And here we are with the new granite countertop installed. And as you can see, the new mirrors are also up. It's difficult to take mirrors down without them breaking into a lot of pieces. So she got new mirrors, new undermount sinks, and faucets. A beautiful bathroom restored so she can enjoy it.